My name is Shelby. I am the Community Schools Programmer at Adams, Ramsey, and Wilson Elementary Schools. Today I'm going to show you how to make a bird feeder out of stuff that you probably have at your home. The string on the toilet paper roll, you are going to take the peanut butter and just spread it on your roll. Oops, makes a mess. Get messy though, that's okay. And then once you got a good amount of peanut butter on, you are going to dump your nuts out on a paper towel, your chopped nuts. It's kind of messy, but that's okay. Spread them out, and then you're gonna roll your toilet paper roll onto the nuts so that they all stick on there. Birds will love it. So that's what it's kind of gonna look like. Super easy. And before I put the nuts on, I also cut a hole in the bottom so I can stick a stick through for the birds to sit on. So I'm not sure where the hole, oh, there it is. I am going to trim my stick because that's a little long, but I will show you guys a picture of the final product.